Next on the agenda is what calling the double arc side closure jacket. And let's look at our body lines. We've got the bust point or the bust line right around in here, waistline, hip is right somewhere around in here. Now let's take a look at the style lines. We're going to start this off with a double breasted. It's going to be easier to work with. You have arm side princess seams. It looks like it's about a 4-inch lapel with maybe a 2 or 3-inch collar. Set in sleeves. I'm going to assume that they don't have any kind of darted cap or anything because this is a tailored jacket. The interesting part about this is this double arc right here. It lays over from the right side to the left. It has about 1-inch buttons and there's 4 on each side. Now right here you have about a 3 or 4-inch drop. So let's take this into pattern editor and see what we can do.